I am Anushka Bharadwaj. I am an ex-student of Prashant Helium classes. I came there when I was in class 11th. I studied there for 2 years. The best thing about this institution is that it made me feel like I am a part of a giant family where academic excellence is a teamwork. The faculty there is always available to solve the queries of students irrespective of the timetable. I recently got my CBSE 12th results and I got 94.2%, and I think it was all because of the faith and efforts that this institution invested in me. I'm really grateful to all the teachers there for what they have done for me.
I am Anush Sharma, a student of class 12th, and I have been studying at Prashant Helium for the past 3 years. I got a fantastic result in my class 10 boards with a perfect score of 100 in mathematics and an aggregate of 96%. I would recommend this institute for all students who are aspiring for a better future.
Hello, I am Sejal Sinha from Prasanthinilium classes and I am here since 2 years and my experience is wonderful here. The most important thing which I love about Prasanthinilium classes is that they give individual time to each and every child, which is a very good thing.
Hello, I'm Pranav. I was part of Prashantilinium in year 2006. I was doing preparation for competitive exam. It was first or second competitive exam preparation batch. Now I am working in software industry. Prashantilinium helped me to build a strong foundation. So all I would say that go, join, enjoy, learn and do well in your life. All the best.
Hi guys, I'm Prabhat Kumar Asthana. I'm a relationship director at TCS. I know Vikram for more than 20 years now, since my engineering college days, and I would rate him very highly in all the core subject areas. It is very difficult to find a professional teacher who has equal expertise in physics, chemistry and mathematics, and he is one of those kind. So I recommend everybody to go and work with Vikram Mathur, and Prashant Nilem is a right place to go, and they can help you shape your career well. Thank you so much. Bye.
I'm Vishal. It gives me immense pleasure to say with pride that I was a part of Prashant Nilem classes from 2009 to 2011. I have worked with TCS for initial 4 years and right now I'm working with IBM. Come on guys, join this family. You will have a great exposure with teachers, great experience of studies, and you'll have all the fun.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Gautam. I studied at Prashanti Nilayam in 2012 and scored 94% in my 12th board exams. So from my journey at Prashanti Nilayam, I was actually studying at DPS Noida, and where the course and the syllabus went way ahead from the other schools. So for which Vikram sir helped me in particular a lot, and the faculty at Prashanti Nilayam always make sure that each and every student is through with all the topics and subjects. So I feel really privileged to be a part of Prashanti Nilayam's journey.
Hello everyone, I am Chirag Chauhan. I had been studying in Prashantilium classes from last 2 years and I really got benefited from it. I had observed improvement in my studies and as a result, I got above 95% in my 10th board exams. Thank you Prashantilium for everything.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Mehta. I have been studying in Prashant Helium Institute since the last 2 years. Currently, I am in standard 10th. It doesn't even feel like a student-teacher bond, but moreover, it feels like we belong to a same friend circle. Thank you Prashant Helium for everything.
Hi, this is Aviral and I joined Prasanthiniliam classes in class 11th. One of the things which I really liked was the fact that the faculty was always available to us to hear our doubts and clear them. So overall, I feel that it was a very nice experience as it enabled me to cope up with my class 12 studies in a very time efficient manner.
I am Ritika Goyal of Modern School Noida. I have taken my 11th and 12th standard coaching classes from Prashanti Nilayam Institute. They are very supportive and they pushed me a lot to gain such good marks. I am so glad that I have joined this institute and had been a part of it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Diksha. I'm a programmer analyst at Cognizant working on technologies like data warehouse, Python and Django framework. They make sure that the student in front understands it. I would especially like to thank Vikram sir for all his blessings and guidance. So guys, come, join our family and be a part of this legacy.